Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Power Query for shaping data before ML, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening Microsoft Excel on your computer. Once Excel is open, navigate to the Data tab located on the ribbon. Look for the Get Data option within the Data tab. Click on Get Data, and a drop-down menu will appear. Select from other sources in the drop-down menu. In the next menu, choose Blank Query. This action will launch the Power Query Editor window. In the Power Query Editor, find the formula bar at the top. If the formula bar is not visible, enable it by clicking on View in the ribbon and checking Formula Bar. To shape your data, click on Home in the ribbon, then choose Advanced Editor. In the Advanced Editor, you can input specific code to connect to your data source. Make sure your data source details, like file path or database connection string, are accurate. After entering the necessary code, click Done to load your data. Once your data is loaded, you can start shaping it using the options on the ribbon. Explore the Transform tab for various data manipulation options. Use the Remove Columns feature to eliminate unnecessary data. You can also filter rows to focus on specific data points. If needed, change data types by selecting a column and choosing the desired type from the Data Type dropdown. To rename columns, double-click on the column header and enter a new name. You can also merge queries if you need to combine data from different sources. To merge queries, click on Home, then select Merge Queries. Follow the prompts to choose the queries and the specific columns to merge. After shaping your data, click Close and Load to apply the changes. Your transformed data will now be available in an Excel worksheet. Congratulations, you have successfully activated Power Query for shaping data before machine learning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.